Hi fellow guitarists and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscription button below and turn on the notifications for new videos. Okay, so today we'll be breaking down Thomas Mafumo's song Nyokamsango. The key of the song is C, and the shape of the major scale that you have to know to be able to familiarize yourself with the notes being used, it's shown on the screen, and this is the one. So the key of the song, as I've mentioned, is C. So what's happening there? So we play the sixth of the major scale according to the shape that we used, and that is on the 7th fret of the 4th string, and that will be our A note. And then you hold, at the same time you'll be holding on the 5th string, 2nd string, the 3rd note of the major scale. 1, 2, 3. So it's like that. So strike 1 there, then you hold the 4th note from the 3rd. So let's do it again. Then still on the 6th string, but this time we're playing it with the 4th. So it's 3, 2, 1, 6. And then the last part is we go to 6 and 3 again. So I prefer to play this one with my first finger flat, because I'm gonna need to play the 5th note. The 5th note. 6, 3, 6, 3, 1, 5. So it's easier when you're picking on your way up. Then we go back to 6, 3. 6, 3, 2, 8, 7. 6, 6, 3, 2, 1, 7. So let's do it slowly. And that's the song. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any suggestions or comments, may you drop them down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do click on the subscription button below and turn on the notification. Thank you very much.